I was in the Marine Corps from 2004 to 2009 with 2 tours in the Al-Anbar province of Iraq. We live in Swannanoa, North Carolina. Around 4 in the morning, I was woke up by my wife, and water at that point was about almost a foot deep, and water levels kept rising. By about 5:36 in the morning, we had gotten an alert. The water had been rising, and now we had gotten an alert that a dam was at critical level. Me and my partner grabbed our 4 kids, so we evacuated our home into a loft up in our workshop, and we stayed there for about 9 hours. We could see from the top of the loft by the time day broke, I'd say class 2, class 3 rapids coming through our front yard. Our van got washed away a good 40 foot. The building was shaking with trees and debris slamming into it. And I mean, this is a steel frame on monolithic slab, and it was shaking. It was horrifying. For those first 4 or 5 days, we were in survival mode. How to get clean water, how to keep food going. My wife had looked online, found the number, and found the online portion of the application, called and applied, and we got the original bit of emergency assistance almost immediately.
It took about 20 minutes. I uploaded the documents online and they helped pretty quickly. After talking to FEMA, we found out that we qualified for the temporary sheltering assistance, and we got some immediate funds to help with, getting to that point where we could get somewhere safe. We did lose a lot during the storm, but we do have each other still, and looking around at the destruction on our house, I can honestly say that everything that was really the most important to us made it, and that was each other.